Hey everyone! Creating a seller account on Eldorado.gg is the first step toward turning your gaming skills or digital assets into real-world profit. In 2026, the platform has streamlined its verification process to ensure the marketplace stays safe for both professional vendors and individual gamers. Step 1. Initial sign-up. We are starting at the Eldorado.gg homepage. We do this to establish your basic account identity before moving into the specialized seller tools. Click the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Enter your email address and create a strong, unique password. Check your email inbox for a confirmation link. Click it to activate your account and gain access to the dashboard. Step 2. Entering seller mode. Now that your basic account is live, we're heading to the Sell portal. We do this to trigger the mandatory seller onboarding process. From the top navigation bar, click the Sell button. You will be prompted with a message stating that you need to verify your identity before you can create your first listing. Click Verify ID to begin. Step 3. Identity Verification, KYC. We are looking at the Identity Verification, KYC screen. We do this to prove you are a real person, which unlocks higher trading limits and builds trust with buyers. In 2026, you are required to take a live selfie while holding your ID. Ensure your face is clear and that the site name Eldorado.gg is either written on a piece of paper nearby or visible on a screen in the background. Verification usually takes anywhere from 15 minutes to a few hours. If there is an issue with the photo quality, you will receive an email or a dashboard notification asking you to re-upload. Once approved, your seller status icon will turn green and the Sell tab will unlock the full suite of vendor tools. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.